and hi everyone. Today our group from CS143 5D will present our research proposal project assignment to our lecturer, Madam Bakia Binti Mokhtar, for the subject of Fundamentals of Research STA 220. Our group chose to do a research on the effect of sleep on academic performance among Semester 5 CS143 students. Before we start, I will introduce my group members. Starting with me, my name is Nurul Maisara binti Bukhari Raja. And next, Siti Shafika binti Osman, Amira Izzati binti Rosman, and Nurin Shazwani binti Muhammad Jafri. I will begin my part with the introduction of our project. We decided to do a research on the effect of sleep on academic performance, since sleep plays a very important role in human beings' health. Instead of making people feel sleepy in the daytime, sleep loss also may increase the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. According to the majority of sleep experts, adults need about 8 hours sleep per day. But not all people can obtain sufficient sleep due to their environment, stress, workload, and other factors. Most of the students in UITM are either addicted to video games or social networking. Students nowadays like to play video games such as Mobile Legends, Genshin, PUBG, as well as addiction to social media including TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter. Or they might as well stay up just to finishing their TV show in one night. This research is therefore undertaken with the intention of identifying the effects of sleep on students' academic performance.
Inadequate sleep optimally impacts mental and physical functioning and therefore impacts students' academic performance. Suboptimal sleep is a national problem, with more than a quarter of the Malaysian adult population not obtaining the recommended 7 hours of sleep each night. Sleep deprivation decreases one's general alertness and impairs attention, resulting in slowed cognitive processing. Moreover, reduced overnight sleep is also often associated with severe drowsiness and failure in academic success. This is why most people, students especially, struggle to pay full attention during daytime classes, as they do not have the full mental capacity due to not getting sufficient sleep, thus affecting their academic grades. However, there is no consensus in this case, and not all studies state that sleep disorders result in a negative effect on academic performance. This study is aimed to determine the relationship between sleep quality and students' academic achievement among Semester 5 CS143 students.
Next, objective. We have 3 dependent variables and 1 independent variable. Based on it, we have 3 research objectives. Firstly, to study the relationship between sleep deprivation and academic performance. Secondly, to investigate the relationship between sleep disorder and academic performance. Lastly, to explore the relationship between the duration of sleep and academic performance. Based on our research objective, we can write our research question. Does sleep deprivation, sleep disorder, and duration of sleep can affect our academic performance?
So the population is taken from part 5 students CS Diploma in Science Mathematics UITM ARAU PERLIS for our research. To be more specific, we take a sample only from our course, which is CS143 Diploma in Science Mathematics part 5 students. The total sample size is 148 students. The sample survey is only 50 random selected students.
Our measuring instrument is online questionnaire, which we made on Google Form. Our platform to spread the questionnaire is on WhatsApp application, which is a social media platform on our smartphone nowadays. Our questions consist of 7 parts, which is a part A, Part B, Part C, Part D, Part E, F, and G. Part A, students' demographic information. For Part B, general knowledge. Part C, sleeping behaviors. Part D, sleeping schedule during the weekdays and weekends. Part E, sleeping schedule during exam week. Part F, students' opinion. And Part G is student academic performance.
As the question is made online and spread online, the sampling technique for our research is categorized in a non-probability sampling method, which is the following three samples. 50 of total respondents from Part 5 CS143 Diploma in Science Mathematics students are interested in this survey topic only.
Last but not least, our data analysis is descriptive statistic which can be formed a pie chart or bar chart after finding. That's all for me.
In the result, we can compute that 56% suffer from sleep deprivation, while 52% of students which have faced and sometimes face sleep disorder. Because of that, they sleep after 12 a.m. and wake up at range of 3 a.m. until 7 a.m. Luckily, most of them, which are 62%, get a cumulative grade point average, which is CGPA is 3.5 and above.
From our observation, the results indicate that poor sleeping habits does not necessarily result in negative academic performance, as more than half of the study participants' CGPA are above 3.5 and are satisfied with their academic performance despite of getting insufficient sleep almost every night. Despite of this, it is still important for us to get proper amount of sleep, as adequate sleep is crucial in learning as well for our physical and mental being.